Hello, teacher Michelle. My name is Anthony Loyola, and today I'm going to present the vocabulary English. Bueno, I present the next basics. The present is simple past, past continuous, and used to. The simple past net basics. The simple past tense, sometimes called the preparate, is used to talk about a complement action in the time before now. The simple past is the basic from the past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past in the distant past in the action direction. It is not important. The grammar. The grammar is and positive is subject more in for verb more in complement, and negative is subject more do not more verb more complement, and negative is interrogative is do more subject more verb in the form base more complement and more the the example. He went to Mexico for their summer vacation. The past continuous. The past continuous is express actions or states that are taking place in the past where other actions or states were interrupted or reinforced. The grammar. And the grammar is the positive is subject more verb to be more verb ing more complement. And the negative is subject more verb more not more ing more complement. And the interrogative is verb more subject more verb ing more complement. And in the verb to be is trata sobre is, are y am. Bueno, en el used to, we use used to more infinitive to talk about a past situation that is not longer true. It tells use that were the repeated action or state in the past which has no change. She used to be in the long distance runner. She was running. The grammar is subject more be more used to more pronoun and more complement. And example, we used to go to the beach every Christmas. Bueno, espero que les haya gustado. Thank you.